Hello everyone, welcome back to the Homestead and another From Scratch Friday. We're so glad that you're here and we're excited to share this Friday's recipe with y'all. So we're getting into spring and we got some crazy weather here in the Ozarks, but as we get into things starting to warm up, it makes us kind of want to crave some more spring lighter fare. So what I have for y'all today is a lemon chicken gnocchi recipe. It's easy, it's simple, it's full of wonderful whole ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So of course the star of the show is going to be our chicken breast over here. I've got 2 of the breasts from our chickens we raised this last year, but any chicken breasts will be good. We're going to use some gnocchi. Now I'm using store-bought gnocchi for this because the homemade gnocchi doesn't hold up great in this recipe. So some gnocchi, some butter, some lemon pepper, some whole lemons, a couple of cloves of garlic, some baby spinach, some garlic powder, some chicken broth, some heavy whipping cream, and a little bit of olive oil. I don't know if I mentioned Parmesan cheese as well. So this is our cast of characters for today's recipe. So this recipe is really going to come together fairly quickly. I love doing these quick, easy, simple recipes full of whole, nourishing foods for y'all. So what we're going to start with first today is we're going to get a skillet warming up on the oven, and we're going to add a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil and get that heating up. So I'm going to go ahead and get this heated up on just some medium heat to start. I've got the butter in there. I'm going to drizzle in a couple tablespoons of our olive oil, and we'll move on to our next step. So I'm going to take our chicken breasts now and put them in just some smaller pieces, cut anything that's unsightly off of them, which hopefully isn't going to be that much. I'm going to put the pieces in my bowl here because we'll be seasoning them up. We're just going to use our lemon pepper seasoning and some garlic seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and add our last couple of pieces in here right now. And then we're going to add in some of our lemon pepper seasoning, just to your taste, guys. If you like a lot, use a lot. If you like a little, use a little. And a little bit of garlic. So we have that in our garlic powder container here, and again, to your liking. I'm going to try that to start. Now what I'm going to do is take and go ahead and just toss the seasonings in this. And I'm starting to hear my pan be ready in my background here. So the next thing we'll be doing is getting this in our pre-warmed up, preheated pan. So I'm going to go ahead and just put our pieces of chicken in here and get them browned up. And we'll move on to our next step. So while our chicken is browning, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to juice 1 lemon, take the juice of a lemon, as well as grate my Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and grate our Parmesan cheese. We need about a half a cup. We'll probably have more. We like ours a little on the cheesier size, but that will be to your preference. So I'm going to go ahead and get our cheese grated up. So I've turned my pan back on here. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic in. We're going to get it minced and in the pot here, the skillet here. And this is going to saute or brown, I guess, cook, become aromatic for about 30 to 60 seconds. We're going to go ahead and brown this, stir it with all our good crunchy bits in here. So our garlic's nice and brown. We're going to add our chicken broth in and our lemon juice, those lemons that we juiced. If you guys don't have real lemons, you could always use bottled lemon juice for the 2 tablespoons that go in this. That would be completely fine. We're just gonna deglaze our pan here for a minute, guys. So I'm gonna add a 1.5 cups of milk into this, or excuse me, I'm gonna add a 1.5 cups of heavy cream into this. The amount of the chicken broth that I added in was 3/4 cup of chicken broth. So I'm gonna get this all stirred in, and then we'll be adding in our gnocchi. So our gnocchi was a little bit stuck together, so I'm gonna go ahead and break it up as I add it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the gnocchi stirred in here, and this is gonna take 5 to 7 minutes to completely cook. The sauce is going to thicken up during that time. I'm also going to go ahead at this point and add our chicken back in to get it warmed back up, and if any of it needed to be cooked any longer, it will do that during this point. So we're going to go ahead and put our chicken back in. So I went ahead and put the chicken back in, and we're gonna let this simmer and cook. I'm gonna stir everything around from time to time. Again, this is gonna take 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our cheese and add our spinach in at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and add in several handfuls of this beautiful looking spinach, and we're going to let this wilt into the recipe here. That's probably good. So we're going to go ahead and garnish this with a couple of lemons, serve it with a little parsley, and we'll show you what we're putting on the side. So we want to thank you all for coming along for our most recent From Scratch Friday and how we do lemon chicken gnocchi on the Homestead, and we hope that you enjoy this dish as much as we do. We did serve it with some homemade garlic bread on the side, and it is delicious. We hope you give it a try, and until next time, we'll catch you on the next one.